What's the meaning of clinker? Clinker. Clinker.
Clinker. Clinker. Clinker refers to a hard, grayish substance that is formed when raw materials are heated to high temperatures in a kiln as part of the cement-making process. The resulting material has a bumpy texture with small, dark nodules and usually measures between 3 to 25 millimeters in diameter. Clinker is an essential component of Portland cement, which is widely used in construction due to its strength and durability. When mixed with water, clinker reacts to produce a paste that hardens and binds different materials together, making it a crucial ingredient in the construction industry.